Hey guys, this is Lawrence, and today we're gonna make delicious homemade bagels. So first of all, you have to mix 10 grams of yeast and about 25 grams of regular white sugar in a 300 milliliter of warm water to wake up those yeast babies. And you're going to set this aside for at least 30 minutes. Now, in a large bowl, you will add in 500 grams of bread flour plus 5 grams of salt. Did I say salt? Yes, 5 grams of salt. And to make it fun, it's time to involve other family members during this process. And now you will mix the flour and the yeast mixture either with the chopsticks or with your hand. After mix the dough, you will dump all the dough onto a board and start kneading it. You pull it back first and then push forward. And you can see right here, I'm trying to make the dough into a even-sized ball. After showing some unconditional love and attention, you will now place your dough ball into an oiled ball to let it rise for 1 hour. And also remember to cover the entire thing with a damp towel. After 1 hour of resting the dough, you can see the size of the dough has increased more than double. So now we will dump the dough onto a board again and shape it again into a even-sized dough ball. Be aware, do not knead the dough at this stage because that will make the dough toughen up again. And now you will divide the dough into roughly 6 or 8 portions of dough, depending on how big you want your bagel to be at the end. Now you will shape each portion of dough into a smooth, round dough ball. You can place the portion of the dough in your hand and roll it on the board. After that, you will cover all the dough ball you have made with another damp towel for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, now it's time to shape those dough balls into bagels. First, you have to cover both your hands with some flours, and then you're going to put a thumb through the center of the dough ball. After that, you will carefully stretch the hole to approximately 1 to 1.5 inch. Again, few very important points to keep in mind during this step is to flour both your hands, stretch the bagel hole no more than 1.5 inch, and practice makes it perfect. As you can see right here, I kind of struggled during the first one, but by the last one, I was okay with it. In a large pot, you are adding about 1 to 1.5 liters of water and then dissolve 1 tablespoon of honey in it. And this will be the water that we boil our bagels in. To retain the shape of the bagel, it's best to use a spoon or a spatula to lower each individual bagel dough into the boiling water at this point. You will boil each bagel for 1 to 2 minutes per side. As you can see, the size of each bagel dough has further increased, so it is very important not to overcrowd the pot. After you boil the bagel, place them individually on a oiled baking sheet. And now, place your bagel into a 425-degree Fahrenheit oven for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes of patiently waiting, the final product looks amazing, as you can see. It's golden brown, and I wish you are here to share one with me. And now the question is, what should I put on my bagel? Well, whatever you want, basically. You can put some salmon on there, but in my case, I choose to keep it simple. So I just put some cream cheese and some in-season delicious figs on them. And let me tell you that it is so good. Yes, you should definitely try one. Excuse me, why are you taking my bagel? Hello? Anyway, if you like it, please subscribe.